Welcome back to TurboTracksFA, the channel where we bring you the latest automotive news and in-depth reviews. Today, we're diving into a highly anticipated model, the 2025 Mahindra X5, a sleek and aggressive SUV that's ready to turn heads on the road. Let's get right into the details of its exterior design, performance, and features. At first glance, the 2025 Mahindra X5 presents a bold and modern stance that's impossible to ignore. Mahindra has taken its design language to new heights with this vehicle, blending rugged elements with premium touches for a unique and refined look. The front of the X5 features a large, signature grille, flanked by sharp, angular LED headlights that add a futuristic touch to the vehicle's aggressive profile. The grille is framed with chrome accents, giving it a distinctive, premium appearance, adding to the X5's commanding presence on the road. The lower front bumper is sculpted for aerodynamics and to enhance the overall rugged appeal of the SUV. You'll notice large air intakes that not only look striking but help optimize airflow, improving engine cooling and vehicle stability. This aggressive front end is designed to tackle any terrain, showing that the X5 is not just about looks, but performance too. Move around to the side, and the X5 continues to impress with its muscular and athletic proportions. A high waistline and sculpted body panels give it a strong, athletic profile, emphasizing the vehicle's off-road capability. The wheel arches are bold, housing large alloy wheels that add to the SUV's robust appearance, and those wheels are wrapped in high-performance tires designed for all-terrain versatility. The body side molding adds an extra layer of toughness, ensuring the X5 is ready to handle rough conditions, while the chrome accents around the windows and door handles give it that premium touch. The vehicle's side mirrors are sleek and aerodynamic, equipped with integrated turn signals for added convenience and safety. Meanwhile, the black talc roof rails give the X5 a rugged yet stylish vibe. These rails aren't just for show, either they add functionality, allowing for additional storage options if you're planning an adventure. At the back, the 2025 X5 continues its dynamic design language, featuring a sculpted rear bumper that is both stylish and functional. The LED tail lamps are narrow, extending across the rear and offering a high-tech, signature look that complements the sharp front design. A sporty rear spoiler enhances aerodynamics, adding to the SUV's performance credentials while giving it a sleeker, more dynamic profile. The dual exhaust outlets are integrated into the rear bumper, showcasing the X5's sporty and performance-oriented nature. Overall, the 2025 Mahindra X5 delivers a striking exterior design that blends performance with style. From its aggressive front grille to the sculpted rear end, this SUV is built to stand out on any road, whether you're navigating city streets or tackling off-road terrain. The X5's design elements are tailored to meet the demands of modern driving. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews on TurboTracksFA, where we continue to bring you the latest in automotive innovation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.